welcome to St Pancras International. This is where my train will be departing today, and as you can see, my train is up there. So let's head inside the station. And look how beautiful this station looks. And waiting on platform 10 is our train. It's a class 373 TGV TMST high-speed train. Built in the early 90s, this is Britain's fastest high-speed train, having reached a top speed of 334.7 km an hour on High Speed 1. The train looks stunning on the outside with a sleek design. Now, how is it on the inside? And this is the train, the Class 373. And this is my coach. And it's time to head inside. And welcome to Standard Premier. This cabin is in a 2x1 seating layout. And look at these comfortable seats. And here's my seat. Seat 48, a window seat. Starting off with the seats, they're really comfortable with lots of padding. It also comes with a headrest. There is lots of legroom here. I can stretch out my legs really far. In the seat opposite, there's a tray table, which is large, a cup holder, a reading light, and the seat offers a good level of recline. The seat also features foldable armrests, blind, reservation display, and a luggage rack. Overall, the seat product is really good. And I believe this journey is going to be great.
Important announcement. So this morning we do have a problem in
and during our wait here, breakfast is ready. Some pastry with an orange juice. Delicious. And it's finally time to leave.
and wait again. I was slot to you along with the rest of the auto crew, but the bound.
And here the train passes Stratford International. And it's time to speed through the English countryside on HS1. And here is Ebbsfleet International. And the train flies over Ashford International. And it's time to explore the train. In this section here are the toilets. So let's head inside. First impressions, the toilet was really clean. And it was quite big as well. The soap was fully stocked. However, the water was slow to respond and there wasn't much of it. And the hand dryer did a good job as well. Overall, this toilet is an okay product. And here is the cafe car. Here you can get lots of snacks and even meals. Also, this carriage looked very stylish. And it's time to head to standard class. Standard class is in a 2x2 seating layout with luggage racks towards the ends of the carriage. So there's been an issue, and that's the reason why this train has been delayed by so much. There were problems with the catenary in the Channel Tunnel, meaning the England to France tunnel has been shut. So the trains can only use the other tunnel, and there is a lot of train traffic. And another train got stuck in the Channel Tunnel, so now it's closed. And we have to head back to London. All while riding on the wrong side of the tracks. Well, not all the way.
So if you are staying in London, please try.
And we're again at Stratford International. But this time we're stopping here. And after a while we're back in central London. Overall, this trip was a disappointing experience with EUROSTAR. Although the train itself was excellent, the conditions were not. From EUROSTAR I got a full refund, but not for connecting trains that I missed, which is absolutely frustrating. So basically, this journey was free, but there was no point to stay a few hours on a route that should have taken half an hour. and welcome back exactly where I started this journey. This incident was so viral, it even appeared in the news, so check out news platforms for more. But for now, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.